420 on the brain. Ain't got no friggin' pain. 3 puffs and a couple.
Well, hi there. Welcome to Cannabis Corner Cafe. Information is Power Series. I'm your host, Speaking Wind Woman. This week's topic is all about mood disorders and marijuana. Depression, stress, and anxiety mood disorders have become most prevalent sources and symptoms of illness in modern society. Lifestyle, diet, environment, and genetics all play a significant role. To what degree, however, is always subjective. There is some belief that humans are starting to exhibit an ECS deficiency that the cannabis plant addresses. Research is scarce, however, and the field begs attention. The ECS is the body's natural endocannabinoid system. It is responsible for our body's state of homeostasis. In other words, system balance and proper functioning, modulating the central nervous system and immune systems. A basic understanding of how the brain works provides an explanation as to why cannabis is such an effective solution for modifying mood. The brain has two major neurotransmitters, GABA, the inhibitor, and glutamate, the excitatory. The ECS regulates the levels by selectively suppressing these neurotransmitters as necessary. When THC is introduced, it boosts the ECS's suppressing mechanism so that both the inhibition and excitation have been. When the GABA inhibitor is suppressed, sensory enhancement is common. So things like smells, sights, sounds, textures all become more extreme. Glutamate suppression results in relaxation and contributes to the indulgence of magical thinking that's associated with being high. Notably, it is the excitotoxicity that's caused by overstimulation of the glutamate neurotransmitter that causes damage to the cells, like those found in epilepsy, hypoglycemia, stroke, as well as alcohol or benzodiazepine withdrawal, and a variety of other neurodegenerative conditions and diseases. But I'll get into more detail about that in later videos. This week, the focus is on mood disorders and the use of marijuana to manage them. Comprehending the functions of GABA and glutamate and the neurotransmitters that they stimulate makes understanding marijuana's influence on the mind that much clearer. GABA normally dampens the amount of dopamine, that feel-good chemical that's produced in our brain's pleasure and reward system. When GABA is blocked, the results is an increase in the amount of dopamine that's released. Additionally, marijuana stimulates a substance in the brain called anandamide. Anandamide causes a soothing sensation in the body when it reacts with THC. It kind of gets confusing because although cannabis is often used to mellow anxiety, decrease stress, and enhance a positive state of mind, it can cause paranoia, anxiety, confusion, and symptoms of depression. This is exactly why information is power. Tomorrow, I'm going to talk strain specific because depending on the nature of your symptoms, different strains offer different solutions. The keys are in the chemical profile of the plant. The composition of cannabinoids and terpene compounds will determine the myriad of therapeutic properties that the plant can produce. Mood disorders aren't anything more than an imbalance in some way, shape, or form. The imbalance can reveal itself mildly or manically. It can also be physiologically or environmentally influenced. The point is, it can be managed. And since marijuana is a natural balancer working in natural sync with our systems, it's only logical to consider it as a method or management solution. In summary, marijuana rebalances mood, anxiety, and attention in ways which may correct for or prevent certain forms of imbalances in the brain. Information is power. Your health and wellness begins with you. And on that note, viewers, I'm Speaking Wind Woman saying get healthy, be strong, stay happy. Ciao for now.
Can't get enough of this. I'm a token of